Since the first local case of the novel coronavirus was discovered on March 11, 2020, the government of Ghana, through the Ministry of Public Health, has been working tirelessly to ensure the safety of Ghana's population and to contain the outbreak, and a large number of innovative measures were put in place with the aim of containing the virus. At the helm of the National COVID-19 Task Force is Prime Minister Moses Nagamootoo, who only last week told media operatives that sadly the pandemic has not resulted in a synchronized approach between the coalition and the People's Progressive Party. He highlighted that he has reached out to the leader of the opposition, Barry Jagdeo, requesting a representative to join the National COVID-19 Task Force, all to no avail, and appealed to the opposition to set aside politics and focus on the issue at hand.
I have written to the leader of the opposition, Mr. Jagdeo, asking him to name someone to serve on the NCTF. I have not received a response. I would take it that the leader of the opposition is very busy. In due course, when he would have had time to look at my letter, not to treat it as something that is contentious, but this is an effort that we all have to make. I have said that this coronavirus presented us with an ideal platform on which we could signal to the Guyanese people that we can work together, that while we may have our political agenda, this is bigger than politics.
Director General of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Adhanom, in his recent daily media conference noted that all political leaders at this time should work together across party lines against the virus, which is the only way that countries can succeed in beating the deadly pandemic. He said, quote, "Please quarantine politicizing the virus."
We should be able to work across party lines, across phases, across other differences that we have, across ideology. When there is a crack at the national level between political parties, between religious groups, or between other groups, that's when the virus gets a crack that it can exploit and defeat us.
Adhanom called for collaborations and national unity at all levels of society. He added that while this may be an arduous task, it must be done, and that the focus of all political parties should be the safety of their people. To do otherwise, he warned, would result in more body bags.
Please don't politicize this virus. It exploits the differences you have at the national level. If you want to be exploited, and if you want to have many more body bags, then you do it. If you don't want many more body bags, then you refrain from politicizing it.
However, on March 28, the People's Progressive Party launched their National Multi-Stakeholders Response Forum, headed by the presidential candidate Irfan Ali. The party said the forum was created as it could not rely on government to take any urgent, comprehensive approach in the pandemic. The forum has since launched a number of mask distribution campaigns. For the HGP Nightly News, Colwyn Abrams.